Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is John and today's vlog is about the New Year. It's my first vlog of the year. So, yun na nga, kwento ko lang sa inyo kung paano kami nag-celebrate ng New Year outside our home. Kasi dati palaging dito lang kami within the subdivision nag-celebrate. Pero this time, lumabas kami, pumunta kami sa SM MOA or Mall of Asia. So, we booked a 22-hour stay sa Cozy Cash Pad in Paseo Verde Condominium in Las Piñas. Akala ko nga sa shore residences siya eh. Medyo nagkamali ako doon. Pero okay lang kasi maganda naman yung stay namin doon. Malinis naman yung lugar. The place is simple, cozy, and perfect for a quick staycation. Then, after dropping our things, so pagdating namin doon, talagang iniwan lang namin yung gamit namin. Then, we went straight to SM MOA. Then, tinry namin yung SM by the Bay Amusement Park. Bumili na ako ng ride all you can na ticket through Star Deals kasi mas mura doon, 259 pesos lang siya. And meron ng unlimited na ride and then isang beses na ride sa MOA Eye. So, believe it or not, it's our first time riding the MOA Eye. Kasi kahit nagtrabaho pa kami noon ng husband ko sa SM MOA, before pa nun pinanganak yung anak namin ha. Pero hindi pa namin na-try yun. So, ang ganda ng view from the top. It's so amazing. And yung, alam niyo, warm white na Christmas lights sa surroundings ng SM Mall of Asia, napakaganda niya. And then, as expected, sobrang daming tao. Families everywhere. May mga nag-picnic pa, as in nag-set up sila ng picnic nila doon. But the highlight, of course, is the fireworks. Yung New Year countdown fireworks. So, pumunta kami doon kasi nandun daw yung GMA na countdown. Pero hindi kami nanood. Hindi kami nanood dun sa show, mga performances ng mga artista. Kasi hindi na namin kilala yung mga artista ngayon eh. Kasi bihira na kami manood ng TV. So, ang talagang inabangan lang namin doon is yung fireworks display. Which lasted for, I think, 10 minutes siya. And you can also see fireworks nearby dun sa mga hotels and casinos. Yun, siguro mga 15-minute na fireworks show sa kanila, mas matagal. So, medyo nakakalungkot lang dahil maraming trash scattered after. So, sana next time everyone practices Clay Go. Going back to Las Piñas usually takes 20 to 30 minutes, but tonight, ibang level siya. As expected, sa gitna ng road, sa daan, may mga nagpapaputo. Kaya we had to stop para matapos muna yung fireworks nila doon, firecrackers nila. Buti na lang, safe kami na nakauwi dun sa staycation unit namin. And finally, we ended up with a meal, yung medianoche. So yun, napakasaya lang din. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time and Happy New Year! Bye!